Last video we saw about morphology types, different between eumycetoma and actinomycetoma, pathogenesis and epidemiology of mycetoma. This video we will see about laboratory diagnosis of mycetoma. Specimen collection. Here we will collect specimen grain from leg or whatever from food. Collect after cleaning with antiseptic. When we will collect after cleaning with antiseptic using sterile gauze or lobe, we are using. Press that sinus from the peripheral. Then only we will collect that sample. How we will collect? After cleaning with antiseptic using sterile gauze or lobe. Then press that sinus, we will collect that samples. Then we will do direct examination. Wash the grain in sterile saline and keep between the slide. Macroscopic appearance of granules. Here we are using staining method. Hematoxylin using staining. What type of stain we are using? Hematoxylin using staining. Specimen grain. After cleaning only we will collect that samples. Then we will do direct examination. Eubacteria means black grain and cement-like substances will appear. Actinomycetoma means red granules will appear. Eumycetoma means black granules. Actinomycetoma means red granules. Then suppose that patient was affected from eumycetoma means we will do KOH mount. Because for fungal identification. Suppose that patient was affected from actinomycetoma means we will do gram staining. Here that patient was affected from eumycetoma KOH mount, that hyphae will appear 2 to 6 micron with chlamydiospore at margin. Then granules, staining of granules, cement-like substances, palisade arrangement of hyphae will appear. In actinomycetoma, in the case of actinomycetoma means we will do gram staining. Here Flammandus gram positive bacteria will appear. In the case of Nocardia species we are using modified acid fast staining because this one is partially acid fast. So staining method, eumycetoma KOH mount, actinomycetoma gram staining and modified acid fast staining. Then culturing method, in the case of fungus identification we are using SDA, Saffrous dextrose agar for fungal identification, LJ medium for actinomycetoma identification, bacterial identification. How we will observe? Based on the growth rate, colony morphology, production of conidia and their sugar assimilation pattern. Fungal identification we are using STA, Saffrous dextrose agar medium. How we will observe? Based on the growth rate, colony morphology, production of gonidia and their sugar assimilation pattern. In the case of bacteria, how we will identify? By using LJ medium. LJ medium means Lowenstein-Jensen medium. How we will identify? By using observe the growth rate, colony morphology, urease test, acid fastness and decomposition of media containing casein, tyrosine and xanthine. So bacterial identification we are using LJ medium based on their growth rate, colony morphology, urease test, acid fastness and decomposition of media. Based on that only we will identify that bacteria. Then treatment, surgery, then only drugs. Following surgery only they will give medicine. In the case of actinomycetoma, they will give traconazole and amphotericin B. Traconazole and amphotericin B. In the case of actinomycetoma means ampicillin and cotricanazole. So treatment following surgery only they give drugs. In the case of eumycetoma, fungal infection means they will give traconazole and amphotericin B. In the case of bacteria, actinomycetoma means ampicillin and cotrimoxazole.